Welcome back to Rocket School. JT here. So far you've created a node, learned how to SSH into it, and so much more. And now it's time to take our security to the stratosphere. It's a terrible pun. Anyway, as always, copy paste the commands from right below. We're going to get rid of the admin, username, passwords, and all that stuff so you can securely log into your node. And no one can log into your node, even if they have physical access to it and if they knew the admin, username, and password. Pretty nifty. Let's get started. I mean, think about it. This way, if someone knows your IP address and has your admin account and has your password, they still cannot log in. The key pair that we're creating today will be unique to this client. Any other machines that you want to use to log into your node will have to go through this same process for each one. First, make sure you are logged out of your node. Next, on your client, open the terminal and type in the following command: SSH-keygen-t. Well, let's do this. Copy that command from the description below this video and press enter. It'll ask you if the default location for creating a key pair is okay. Yes, this is fine. The only reason you would change this is if you already have a key pair by that name, or if you want to name it something else. We'll just press enter and accept this file. Now it will prompt you to enter a password. We do not want to have a password since it's just on the local machine. Just leave it blank and press enter. It will ask you to verify the password again. Again, just leave it blank and press enter. Well, check out that SHA 256 artwork. Seeing this image means the key was created successfully. Honestly, I think it's a masterpiece. Fun fact, SHA stands for Secure Hash Algorithm, and 256 is the number of bits in the hash of the keys. Long story short, you would have an easier time training to ride a pink elephant around Saturn than trying to crack this encryption. Now we will add the key we just generated to our client machine's local memory, so you don't need to enter the password to access your node. Input the following command. Look for it down in the description. It should say something like SSH-add ~/~. There's a new one. We'll learn about that later. And the path to the key you just created on your machine. Our path to our key is ID_ED25519. Your key will be different based on your defaults or if you created it with a different name. When you press enter, it says identity added, which means it is successful. Note that you will need to run this command anytime you reboot your client machine, as the memory is reset when you end your session on your client. Now that we've created the pair, we want to put the public key that was just generated on the node and keep the private key on our local client machine. This will create the private connection and secure connection between those two devices. So now in order to do that and move the public key over to the node, we will use this command here. SSH-copy-ID-I and the path to our public key file, which for ours is this ~SSHIDED25519. Yeah, whatever. Then add a space and then add your admin account name from your node along with its IP address. Ours is Rocket School at 192.168.64.3. Hit enter. Now you will see the prompt for the node password. Simply add the password from your node. If you are successful, you'll see the line stating the number of keys added is 1. Trust, but verify. Let's give this key pair login a try. We're still on our client machine right now, so let's try to SSH directly to the node and skip the admin username and password step. We type in SSH, then a space, then the admin username, which for us is Rocket School, with the @ symbol and the IP address. We've done this before. And there you can see we've connected. And we're now on the node without having to do an ID and a password. Pretty cool. We hope this video has helped you find a way to more securely access your node. We've removed the need to enter an ID and password using this key pair we created that securely connects the client and your node. With that, we bid you farewell until the next video. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.